So believe it or not, Makita have brought out another 18 volt lithium ion combi drill to add to the number of combi drills already out in the 18 volt range. But actually I'm genuinely really excited about this one because I think this one fills a gap in the market with a Makita combi that didn't already exist and cater for a real wide range of customers. This is the DHP489, and like I said, it's Makita's latest 18 volt combi drill. As you can see from the build quality, this is heavy duty, taking life really seriously with a fully metal 13mm keyless chuck and a fully metal housing round the gearbox. So you can see straight away just in the aesthetics that this is built for lasting, built for tough on-site conditions and built for the professional tradesman. As I said, it's not quite top of the range, so at the moment they've got the DHP481, which you might have seen, or the DHP486, which look very similar, but they also come with a big bulky side handle because they're generating so much torque and so much power that it could quite easily break your wrist if you don't use it properly. Now the 489 isn't quite in those levels. They're operating at 120, 130 Newton meters of torque. This one will deliver 73 Newton meters of max fastening torque, which is a real decent number. It's much more powerful than your DIY or even your lower end Makita models, but like I said, it's not quite up there at the top of the range standard. As you'd expect with a newer combi drill, this has got a brushless motor, so we know what that means now. There's no carbon brushes to replace. That's using all that power and all that energy from that battery, gearing it into your job. So we've got extended performance, extended runtime, and you're making absolutely most out of that internal mechanism, and it's going to last longer as well. So brushless motor, metal keyless chuck, metal gearing around the housing. We've also got loads of nice options on here. We've got 21 different torque settings, which you can access via the top here. So loads of flexibility when it comes to screw driving. We've got 2-speed as well, so speed 1 and speed 2 for low speed, high torque, or high speed, low torque. It's a combi drill, so again, without wanting to teach your granny to suck eggs, combi drill means, of course, this can be used for drilling, for driving, and drilling into masonry as well, because you've got that hammer action that you can engage again on the top of the collar. Put that all the way over to hammer mode. That engages your masonry mode. Standardized features and functions now in a combi drill. Of course, you've got your forward and reverse with a lock-off position so you don't run your battery down. It's got the variable speed trigger with the LED job light on the top as well, and it's all soft, nice rubberized grip. So like I said, this combi drill is 18 volt, it's part of the LXT range, so it's compatible with all of your 18 volt LXT batteries from 1.5 amp hour all the way up to 6 amp hour and any more that they introduce in the range in the future. It's a lovely combi. Like I said, I think it really satisfies that middle market in the heavy duty trade that are going to be battering their combi drills day in and day out on tough working conditions, but don't need that big weight, powerful, heavy duty thing with a side handle, because ultimately if you're going to be using that level of torque, most of you watching this are going to be using an impact driver. So it's the brand new combi drill. It's the DHP489 from Makita, and of course you can pick one of these up right now over at its.co.uk.